Let's get your Chrysler 300 key fob programmed quickly. This video covers remote pairing for Chrysler 300 models from 2005 to 2023. First, ensure you have your key fob and the vehicle key. The basic principle involves cycling the ignition to enter programming mode and synchronizing the fob with the car's immobilizer and body control module using a specific sequence. Remember, precise timing is crucial. Delays can reset the process. Each fob has a unique code, and reprogramming overwrites old codes, preventing duplicates. This guide focuses on DIY methods applicable to most models, but variations exist depending on the year. If this process fails, you will have to take it to a professional, which will have a cost associated. Make sure your car is in a secure location to avoid any kind of signal interference and prevent any kind of theft. Here's the most common programming method for your Chrysler 300 key fob. First, insert your key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on-run position, but do not start the engine. Within 4 seconds of turning the key to on-run, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 1 second, then release it. Repeat this process for all key fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4. After programming all fobs, turn the ignition off. Finally, test each key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If you have a newer 2015 or later model with Uconnect, you might be able to pair via the Uconnect app if your vehicle's firmware is up to date. Scan the QR code on the fob and pair via Bluetooth in the vehicle's settings. For troubleshooting tips, first, ensure the fob battery isn't dead. Check the Chrysler owner's manual for your specific model year for any specific steps or variations. If programming fails repeatedly, consider visiting a dealership, especially for high-mileage vehicles that may have BCM wear. Dealerships can also help if the system locks you out during DIY attempts.